again, Mark, for letting me stay in your guest room.
Oh my gosh, of course. I'm so sorry your flight got canceled.
I just hope I'm not too much of a burden. I can always find a hotel.
Beth, you are my ex-husband's third cousin twice removed. We're family. Now, let's get you settled in, okay? Oh my god, it's freezing in here. I'm so sorry. I'll just turn this on. It should help. Here we go. Better already if I do say so myself. Now, you settle on in. If you need anything at all, I'm going to be right downstairs working on my new puzzle. It's a tableau of existentialist philosophers.
Lou Vega! One, two, three, four, five. Everybody in the car, come on, let's ride.
Beth, what's wrong?
Radiator. It's singing.
These old radiators, they just make noises sometimes. It's totally normal.
You know, I know that it was singing Mambo number 5.
Lou Vegas? Mambo number 5?
Yes.
Beth, I think you're just tired from your long day.
But
Beth, I think I would know if my radiator was singing the song of the summer from 1999. Now, settle back in. I need to get back to my puzzle. Simone de Beauvoir isn't going to finish herself.
maybe it sounded like Lou Vega. Yeah. Yeah. It's a normal radiator. Okay.
A little bit of Monica in my life.
Mark!
A little bit of Rita's life.
Oh my gosh, Beth, what?
It's doing it again! And this time, I swear, it's Mambo number 5. Listen. Sing! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You son of a... Bethany! What? It's Michigan J. Frogging me!
The WB's Michigan J. Frog?
Is there any other Michigan J. Frog?
Okay, now, maybe some of the water in the pipes bounced around and some of the dings and some of the tings sounded like pop jazz classic Mambo number 5.
It really sounded like the lyrics, though.
Beth, I'm telling you, it's just water. Look, do something to fix it. Just let me adjust a couple things and then Here. There's your culprit.
Water?
Water in the pipes. Now tell me, does this puddle of water look like Italian vocalist of German and Ugandan descent who was inspired by the sights and sounds of Miami?
No.
No? No, it does not. Now, you crazy bitch. You need to go to bed immediately, and I need to get back to my puzzle. I'm making some real progress on Kierkegaard's pouty little lips.
Can I come help you with your puzzle?
No.
Water in the pipes. That's all it was.
Every morning there's a headline from the